Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the value of y. So I need to put the power number 2 for the both sides. Next, we need to cancel the square root. Next, this one, they will repeat again of this one. Now we need to transform this one into y. Next, I will put number 6 and y go to the left. Next, we can find the solution of this one. So y equals to number 3 and y equals to negative number 2. So because this one they always positive number, because this is about the square root, so you always got the positive number. So we need to select about y equals to number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.